I know what happened. I recorded a video of the 3rd and I haven't posted it yet. That's because I'm so tired and just woke up. Um, Again, I don't have any lights on in here. I have to step over stuff that I pack up, and you can see that there. I think you can see the Ford Expedition there. But been home all night. You can see I got bedhead. I don't have lights in here because of the anyway. Back up here. I haven't gone anywhere tonight, but so that helicopter buzzed about 5:30. Was asleep all night after taking the tryptophan last night, and I only had one pill of it. I took some of that arginine because it helps your blood flow and promotes health. Is that through that way? You can read up on it, but anyway, signing off. It's December 4th, but here's the paper from December 3rd. Usually when there's a helicopter buzzes me, there's some staged lie. So I didn't post that video yet from so I didn't post that video yet from the 3rd in case the fraud somehow stole it. I haven't turned the phone online since I recorded that video, so I haven't turned on the cellular connection. My face looks puffy too. Could have been from eating a bunch of those snack beef sticks that are like Slim Jim things. And I don't have any connection to anyone named Jim. That's been indicated. Someone named Jim is one of the frauds thieving my writing work. But I don't know what Jim that would be. Some indication there's a Jim, and there's some indication in Chicago. So the only Jim connection I had from Chicago was from 1990 to 91. My roommate at Cornell College in Olin Hall, 223 Olin Hall, was Jim McKeag. And I haven't talked to him since 1991. So he was a wrestler at Cornell College. And I was supposed to play football, but I decided I didn't want to play football. And never really regretted it. Well, maybe once or twice I regretted not playing football in college because I think I would have made more connections at Cornell. Definitely, if I would have played football, and I probably would have stayed there instead of transferred to UNI. But I never spent a lot of time regretting that. I didn't. The small college atmosphere after being in a small high school was not really good for me. So it's not that I didn't like Cornell. I really liked Cornell. I liked their block plan was really cool. They had really good professors. They had like an indoor sports training facility. They had, at that time, was, really good. I liked the sports there. It was just that I was not good socially, and being in a small school, it made it worse because everybody knew everybody almost immediately. So they knew your tendencies, which mine were not knowing what to say to people. So that's why I skipped a lot of classes at Cornell. And in general, it's because I just felt awkward socially then. So it's actually the fourth. It's not the third anymore. But again, I won't post these until probably later Saturday evening, because it seems like nobody sees them until Sunday anyway. If I post them on Thursday through Saturday, or Thursday through mid-Saturday, nobody sees them until after that, like on Sunday, or I get judged on Sunday, so it doesn't make any sense for me to post videos on Thursday and Friday. But been home by myself all December 3rd, and was woken by the helicopter, like buzzing, like meters or yards above my home at 5:30 a.m. Wade Heineman signing off. FogsApp1 YouTube channel, facebook.com/WADEHEINEMN.1. And you see my teeth there. I showed my teeth on purpose. FogsApp1.wordpress.com and Wade A. Heineman. And my teeth have been that way for the last year or so, year or two, because I can't afford to replace the bridges in my front two teeth. Signing off, and I've had that. It's been that way since high school. I didn't lose either of those teeth, not since junior high. So, signing off, Wade Heineman.